Here is how to hide Snapchat chats without deleting them. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and go to the chat section. So go ahead and tap and hold onto the chat and you'll get different options. From here, you need to go ahead and select chat and notification settings. Here, select clear from chat feed, which is highlighted in red color. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the conversation, and it says that it will not delete any saved or sent messages, which is what we want. It will only clear it from the feed and hide it. So go ahead and select clear, and you'll be done. The chat will instantly disappear. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.